When morale is low, it doesn't always look dramatic. It can show up quietly. People are less engaged, ideas feel harder to come by, and that usual spark isn't there. It's common in sectors where people are giving a lot but don't have much left to give. As a leader, you might be wondering, what can I do? Because the last thing people want is empty encouragement and even more pressure. There's no quick fix, but small, thoughtful actions can make a real difference. The most powerful thing you can do is to acknowledge what is real. A quiet, "I know things have been heavy recently," can go a long way. Bring meaning back into view. Ask, what part of your work still feels meaningful, even when things are tough? Or when have you felt proud of something we've accomplished recently? Offer small choices or changes. Ask, what can we adjust to make your day feel lighter? Even small inputs help people feel as though they are in control again. Notice progress, not just results. People are still trying. Even if those big wins we're seeking aren't showing up just yet. A simple thank you can be powerful. And protect energy as well as time. Shorten your meetings. Pause those non-essential things for the time being. And encourage your team as well as yourself to slow down when needed. You don't have to bring endless energy to the table all the time. Just be steady, thoughtful, and willing to listen. These few things alone can help your team move forward.